How to sign up on Netflix and create an account. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In this guide video, I will simply show you how you can actually sign up to Netflix and then create an account. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, in order to sign up for Netflix, you could use the app itself relatively, but you can also do this process similarly from your web browser or your Windows or Mac. So open up your web browser and then simply go to netflix.com. Once you go to netflix.com, you can see that it is going to load up the web page, and this is how it is going to look like. All you have to do is under this box, you have to simply enter the email address to get started. So enter the email address which you want to use for your new Netflix account or the one you want to sign up to. So let me just go ahead and enter a particular email address. Once you've done so, all we have to do is tap on this get started button. As soon as you tap on get started, you can see we'll be taken to this page. It says finish setting up your account and create a password to start your membership. So go ahead and let me also create a password in this case. Once you create your password for Netflix account, you can also choose to actually subscribe to the newsletters and then tap on the next button which you see. As soon as you tap on the next button, the next step is to definitely choose a plan for Netflix. So let's review some of these plans. I will tap on the next button. You can see choose what's the plan for you. You basically have 4 plans. One is the mobile plan, the basic, the standard, and the premium plan. The mobile version costs you up to $399, which offers you up to 480 pixels of resolution. The basic plan offers you $7.99 a month with good and 480p but multiple devices. Similarly, the standard plans with $10 offers you 1080 pixels of resolution according to 4 devices. And last but not the least, the premium, which is the Ultra HD offer, which offers you for $12 and 4K, which supports Ultra HD devices, and you basically can sign up to 4 to 5 devices. And once done, you could tap on the next button which you see, and over here you have to choose a payment method to sign up. So enter your credit or debit card details if you do have one, or you could go ahead and actually set up with your PayPal as well. Go ahead and start your membership once you've chose your particular plan for yourself. And this is how you can sign up for Netflix. It was relatively easy. There's nothing really complicated about it. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.